Trust is the bedrock of any healthy relationship. When trust is broken or eroded, it can lead to feelings of insecurity, betrayal, and distance. Here are some common signs that you might be struggling with trust in your relationship. 1. Constant doubting and questioning. If you find yourself constantly questioning your partner's actions or motives, it's a sign that trust may be waning. This can lead to a cycle of suspicion and mistrust that can be difficult to break. 2. Difficulty communicating. When trust is broken, it can be difficult to communicate openly and honestly. Fear of being hurt or betrayed can lead to avoidance or defensiveness. 3. Feeling betrayed or deceived. If you feel as though your partner has lied to you or betrayed your trust, it can be a significant blow to the relationship. These feelings can be difficult to overcome, and it may take time and effort to rebuild trust. Isolation and loneliness. When trust is broken, it can be difficult to feel close to your partner. This can lead to feelings of isolation and loneliness even when you are physically together. Jealousy and possessiveness. Jealousy and possessiveness can be a sign of underlying trust issues. If you find yourself constantly worrying about your partner's fidelity or becoming overly controlling, it may be time to address these feelings. How to rebuild trust. If you're struggling with trust in your relationship, it's important to take steps to rebuild it. Here are some tips. Open and honest communication is, really important. Talk openly and honestly about your feelings and concerns, and, be willing to listen to your partner's perspective as well. Take responsibility. If you have broken your partner's trust, take responsibility for your actions and work to make amends. Give your partner time to heal. It may take time for your partner to trust you again. Be patient and understanding. Seek professional help. If you're struggling to overcome trust issues on your own, consider seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor. Remember, rebuilding trust takes time and effort. By working together, you can strengthen your relationship and create a more secure and fulfilling bond.